Hi everyone, welcome back. Well, today we're going to see a quick, easy and delicious fish recipe, and it's whole tilapia fish fry, which will be crisp from outside and very juicy and flavorful from inside. So let's see how to make this mouth-watering whole tilapia fish recipe, which you can enjoy as a starter or as a side dish. And here I've taken two medium-sized whole tilapia fish, and I have made slits or gashes on both the sides of the fish pieces for the marinations to penetrate deep inside. And now we'll do a basic marination first. Here goes some salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, around 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper or kali mirch, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and finally we'll extract the juice of half a lime. This is the first marination step wherein we are doing a basic marination only, and now we need to rub all the seasonings well on both the sides of the fish, and we shall allow the fish pieces rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes for the seasonings to be well absorbed. Next, here in this bowl I have taken 6 Kashmiri dried red whole chilies, and I have soaked them in hot water for at least an hour. And now we shall transfer them into a mixer jar along with a splash of water where I had soaked the chilies. Along with this goes 4 large garlic pods, 1 inch of ginger cut into smaller portions, as well as some soft coriander stems for added flavors. And now we shall grind this into a very smooth paste. Let's check this now. We'll transfer this into a bowl, and now into this I will add 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. We'll mix this well, and our spicy and flavorful marination sauce is ready. And now we need to generously apply and coat the tilapia fish pieces with this spicy, garlicky, flavorful paste from both the sides. And because of this paste, the fish turns out so very delicious and flavorful when we fry them. So we have marinated the fish for the second time, and now we will let them rest for at least half an hour. And now we shall pan fry the tilapia fish. For that I have heated a tablespoon of oil in a pan, and when the oil is hot enough, we will place the whole tilapia fish coated with the marination masala, and on medium flame we will fry the fish first for 2 minutes or until they turn deep golden brown from one side. We'll coat some more masala on top before we flip them. After about 2 minutes, we will gently flip the tilapia fish pieces. And you can see they are well browned from one side. We'll flip the fish one more time so that they turn crisp from outside and are pan fried well from both the sides. And by now our whole tilapia fish is well fried from both the sides. So we'll take them off and serve them hot right away. And friends, here goes our delicious whole tilapia fish fry, which is crisp from outside and juicy and flavorful from inside. And you can enjoy this yummy fish fry with some salad along with some lemon wedges. So friends, do try this amazing fish recipe. Also share your feedbacks and follow my channel for more delicious recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and happy cooking everyone.